So this is not a software review, it's an experiment. And I'd like you to come along with me and see how it goes. I have started a brand new YouTube channel. I have started a brand new TikTok profile. And I mean brand new. Literally, I've just saved the name on YouTube. I have got one video up on the TikTok channel, but it's literally just started. And I am going to today set up accounts on Instagram, on Facebook, all for the new channel. Now, the reason I'm doing this is twofold. Number one, because it's an experiment and I want to see if you can start from scratch in 2023 and using the tools that I promote, not mentioning any names, but, auto reposters, video reposters, using these tools, can we grow the channel, fairly quickly? And do the tools I use give me an advantage over other people not using the tools? That's the experiment. The second thing is I've got an interest in crypto. Okay, listen, I am small time with crypto. I'm fascinated by it. I've not made a lot of money. I've not lost a lot of money in it. I decided to get into crypto the first time, just when if you don't know the terms, the bear market started. So I started like November 21 when everything went down, and silly me. But I'm still fascinated by it. I have got a feeling that it is going to go kind of mainstream in 2023. I am not here. Listen, if you think it's a scam, do not listen to anything I say on the channel. All right. But I do think that on my channel, I'm going to teach people the tools, just like I do review softwares. I'm going to explain the terms about exchanges, about wallets, about transferring funds. I'm not going to talk about coins that are going to explode or anything like that. I'm just going to give people who might be a little bit interested, and obviously the channel's going to have a big banner across the top of it saying not for financial advice, this is for entertainment purposes only. But I think there are some people who might be a little bit interested in crypto, or maybe have started but aren't sure how things work, and me making videos might help. Okay? Please do not invest any money you can't afford to lose. It's not for financial advice. I'm not saying any of that. I'm going to give it a try. And we are going to see if it succeeds. If I start at like 0 followers, which is where I am, let me just show you. I'll just pause and show you the channels I've set up. This is how far I've got with the YouTube channel. It is literally completely empty. All I've done is reserve the name. Now, the reason I've called it Fill Your Bags is my name is Phil. On my other TikTok, I'm called Fill Your Bank. And it's a bit of a term in crypto is fill your bags, e.g. fill your bags with cryptocurrency. So that's why I've called it Fill Your Bags. That is the YouTube. Hang on. This is my TikTok account with one video, which has had no views, 0 following, 0 followers, 0 likes. All right. So that's where we're at on it. So, of course, if you are a little bit interested in crypto and you fancy subscribing to either of those, that will be great. But let's just see how it goes. I'm going to be using tools. I'm going to be using a social media auto poster. I'm going to be using Repurpose to repost the videos and the content automatically. And just whatever I can, really, to see how it grows. And it wouldn't surprise me if it's not easy. Getting the followers and getting up there, unless you suddenly get some crazy viral videos. So we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you posted. Today, it's the 19th of January, 2023. And let's see, where we are every month with a video. All right, everybody, speak to you soon. Thanks for I might as well, while I'm on. Thanks for subscribing to this channel as well. And hope you're enjoying the videos. Cheers.